Okay, I'm going to show you how to add a blog post, and I think this will answer a lot of your questions. So, I've changed the resolution on my monitor so that I can record this and keep the video fairly small. Right now I'm looking at the blog page, but I'm also logged in as an administrator. So if I go to the dashboard, I'm going to want to add a new post. So go to Posts, and I go to Add New. So here I'll give it a title. I'll call it Cool New Post. And I've copied some content that I'm just going to paste in here as dummy text. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image that's going to be displayed on the blog page. So I come in here and I select a file. Let's use Brooklyn Living Room. The computer will upload the file, and I'm going to give it a description. I'm just going to say title post here. Now this is, when I'm typing in description, that's the text that's going to be displayed along the bottom right corner of the image. And this image will be auto-scaled horizontally to fit the blog page width. So before I hit insert to post or anything like that, I'm going to save all my changes. I'm going to close it. And you need to do this exact same thing. I'm going to assign it to the blog. I'm going to hit publish. Just for demonstration purposes, let's open up Design Scrapbook's blog page, and we see that we have the Brooklyn Living Room in here. We've got our title post that I put along the bottom right edge. We've got our content here. If I go to this blog post right now, there won't be any image. It's not correctly set up as a blog yet. So there's a few more steps we need to do. So let's go back into our post. Now we need to insert an image into this post, and we need to assign it to some categories on the search side. Because if I go back to the search page, well, no matter what I search for, I won't find that blog post yet. I need to assign it. So we go back to upload and insert. This time let's click on the gallery tab that's along the top of the uploader window, whatever we call that. And let's scroll down. There's a little button here that says insert into post. So I'm going to drop this in here. Now you have a lot of flexibility here to make it awesome or to ruin it if you're me. Whatever the case may be, you can increase the size of the image you want to show to your users. You can justify it to the left or to the right or center it. There's a lot of really good videos on WordPress that will teach you how to adjust the content in here pretty well any way that you want. Videos on YouTube that will teach you that. In this tutorial I'm not going to focus on that. So let's assign this blog post some searchable criteria. Let's put it underneath, I don't know, pink pattern. Let's just put it under pink pattern and hit update. Now there aren't that many images that have been added to Design Scrapbook yet. So when we go to the search page and we refresh, it will pull a set of random images because it doesn't have any search criteria defined yet. One of those random images is going to be Cool New Post, which we just created. If we click on it, we see that there is a blog post. I've destroyed it because I'm awful, but it does create a blog post. You'll have to define how you want that to look and how big you want the image to be when you're creating it on the WordPress side. And that's it.